The great outdoors, a place of adventure and exploration. It can be beautiful, powerful, but also unpredictable and dangerous. We must be ready for whatever the wild throws at us. So are you fully prepared if things suddenly go wrong? Introducing the Care Kit, the outdoor survival system with everything you need and nothing you don't to help you better prepare for all your outdoor ventures. The Care Kit offers unmatched organisation, versatility and reliability, giving you the confidence to explore further. Hi, I'm Matt, the creator of the Care Kit and an outdoor adventure guide here in New Zealand. I know firsthand how quickly things can go wrong in the outdoors and how important it is to be fully prepared. Outdoor preparation hasn't changed much over the years, with most options offering unorganised and poor quality gear that doesn't even cover the basic essentials. That's why I created the Care Kit, because you should enjoy your adventures with the peace of mind that you're prepared for anything. The Care Kit is built to go with you on any adventure, so we made it compact, durable and customisable. Whether it's a short hike or a multi-day adventure, the modular design allows you to take just what you need when you need it. Your gear is organised into the 5 pillars of outdoor survival: water, medical, shelter, fire and tools, giving you quick and easy access to everything you need at a moment's notice. The tough and water-resistant cases protect your gear against the elements and include over 30 items of just the most essential quality survival gear, curated by outdoor experts. Tend to wounds and bandage breaks with the multi-day first aid kit. Safely drink from any water source with our water filter straw. Shelter yourself against the elements or keep your gear dry with the durable rainfly tarp. And use the tools to repair your gear, find your way, signal help or start a fire. And if you need advice, our detailed first aid and survival guides will give you the knowledge required to respond to any situation. Whether you're hiking in the forest, camping in the mountains, fishing and hunting in the backcountry, or just heading out on the wild road trip, packing the Care Kit means you're fully prepared for anything. Following a year of development and testing, we have our manufacturers lined up and ready to go. All we need now is your support to make it happen. So don't leave your safety to chance. Help us make the outdoors safer for everyone. Back us now and always be prepared with the Care Kit.